Hello and welcome to my AV Treasures YouTube channel. This video is about a box fan that I picked up at an estate sale recently. It's a JCPenney Model 9705 and it's in really good shape, just dirty. It's even got the original price tag on it, $29.59, and I believe it to be from around 1980. Now it's missing a knob, but I'm going to borrow one off an old P23 I've had sitting around in my workshop for a while, so I'll be able to control the speeds. It fits kind of loose, but it works. The pointer ends up in the right place, so I know what speed I'm on. Another neat feature of this fan is it has a thermostat, which I thought was pretty cool. I've never had a box fan with a thermostat on it.
A little concerned about that low speed. This fan might could use a little bit of oiling. Anyway, first thing I'm going to do is clean it up. Get it cleaned up, and then I'll come back and do another demonstration. So I've got the 8 screws out of the front grill, and looks like the only problem with these plastic grills is maybe around some of the screws there. Pieces have cracked. That's really not that big a deal. I'm just happy that none of the slats are broken out like on some of the grills that I have. See there, I have some off my other fans here, so they've all got broken out places on them. And it's probably rare to find one that doesn't have the broken grill pieces. So hopefully this grill is just dirty and it'll come back out wide again, I hope.
Here's a look at the data sticker, model number 9705, manufactured by JCPenney Company Incorporated. And there's also a caution label there, because this one has a thermostat. Caution, automatically operated device. There's the box with the thermostat and the speed selector mounted in.
I've got the 8 screws out of the back. There's that motor. There's Lakewood. Yeah, the motor says Lakewood. Lakewood Engineering and Manufacturing Company. Model AL61082020, 115 volts, 60 hertz, 3 amps, thermally protected. E62862. Common white, high black, medium blue, and low is red. That's the wire colors. Look at that shine come back in the aluminum blades. Some kind of greasy buildup on them. I'm using somebody's kitchen, I would guess. Look at that. Before, after. Now see what I can do about these front grills. As you can see, they're pretty dirty. That's the inside front. That one cleaned up nice. Come clean as it can be. No staining. That was just all greasy dirt, what that was. Clean as a whistle. All I gotta do is the back side and I'll be done. It's not near as bad. Okay, it's all cleaned up. Shines. It was just dirty. Paint's in really good shape on it. Managed to save the price tag. Cleaned up the motor good. Now I'm going to put a few drops of the old Zoom spout MO40 or MO98 in it before I put everything back together and give it a test fire. Okay, it's kind of a warm and muggy day, and it's the evening now, and I'm going to sit down in front of the JCPenney 9705 and edit up this video for you. Ooh, tell you what, that feels pretty good after a long day of fan restoration.
I also wanted to show the still got the original cord. I scrubbed it off and got it all cleaned up. It still looks like new.